All right, what's up everybody? This is gonna be a quick video. Just a couple tips on doing the automatic transmission fluid on a Cayenne. This is a 2005 955, but I think it's pretty similar for all Cayennes. So everything's very straightforward. You drain the fluid, drop the pan. This is the part that is a little bit trickier. It's filling it with the fluid, right? So you've probably seen that you need to fill it with fluid, turn it on, go through the gears, add more fluid, check the temperature of the pan, and then at 104 degrees, let the fluid run out if there's any excess fluid, and then close off the pan, right? So right now I'm just filling it up, and I noticed that as I'm filling it, there's a lot dripping out. So this is just a quick tip on kind of how I did it, right? Don't worry, it's gonna drip out of it, but there is more going into it than is dripping out. And I used this is like a paint roller base to catch the extra stuff and be able to use it again, right? I wasn't sure exactly how much was gonna drip out. So as you're filling it, just have this underneath, and as you're adding the initial, it's right about 4 quarts, right? So I have this big with the FCP Euro kit that I got. I'll add a link to the kit that I ordered. It's fantastic. They provide this Liqui-Moly kit. You've got the big jug, so I start with that one. I took about 4 quarts out, and I probably lost about an eighth of a quart in that pan that was dripping out as I was filling it. And you'll notice once it's full, or as much as you can get it without turning the engine on, because instead of dripping every time that you're pumping, a bunch of fluid will start coming out, meaning that it's full. So then what I did is I took these small containers, 4 of them, about 4 quarts, and I put them back into the big one, so that when I have the engine running and I'm doing, like 3 things at the same time, I don't have to be going from one container to the next with my pump. So this 5-quart, 5-liter container, the big one, is now full because I have emptied 4 quarts doing the cold fill, and now I put these 4 quarts back in it, and I'll be using that one as I turn the engine on and run the transmission through the gears and continue filling it. And then at about 104 degrees, I'll be measuring the temperature. It takes about 10-15 minutes to get there. I'll stop, let excess drain out, and then put the drain plug back in. And that's about it. So this was the only part that I thought was kind of weird. Wasn't sure if I needed a different type of contraption to fill the fluid, but something like this, $5 transfer pump is perfect. Just have something to catch that fluid in case you need it. So that's about it. Hope this helps you guys thinking about doing the automatic transfer fluid change. And it was great to clean the pan and clean the magnets, get all the metal out, put a fresh filter. This has about 68,000 miles on it, and I'm really excited to see what it does to the transmission feel. All right, good luck.